In this video, I'm going to put the Xiaomi Precision Screwdriver to the test. I realized that when you're reviewing a product like this thing, the specs and stuff don't really matter. So hopefully in this video, I will tell you exactly what it feels like to have this as a practical tool. Okay, so right out of the box, you're holding a very sturdy feeling metal shell of the product. And the screwdriver itself comes out by just pressing this part down and then releasing it, and it just kind of bounces out. Pretty fancy, as usual for Xiaomi products that win the Red Dot Design Awards. The inside compartment is plastic, but feels sturdy as well. Like, it feels pretty neat, you know, Anyway, the screwdriver itself is mostly metal and it also feels really good. And because it has these ridges on it, I don't have any problems with grip either. Okay, now let's look at all the different screw heads that this offers. There are a total of 24 screw heads. I will put the full collection on the screen for those of you who care about every single detail. Personally, I mostly use these 3 screws, PH1, PH0, and this hexagon one. In my experience, the build quality of the screw heads are pretty solid. This is kind of expected for a product like this, but it's important to mention. The screw heads are rated to have a hardness of up to 60 HRC, and obviously they're steel, so they're pretty hardcore. Next, let's take a turn and look at Xiaomi's specs. Kidding, they don't really matter that much to me. You can either screw clockwise or anti-clockwise in one of 3 settings. Mode 1 is one with less torque for more delicate projects, and mode 2 has a much stronger torque. This other mode is basically like an off switch, and when you're in that mode, the screwdriver locks itself and you can just screw it like a normal screwdriver. But what I found was even if you're on the first or second mode, with the torque stuff, it still locks itself, so you can still screw. Okay, it's not a screwdriver review if I don't include screwing videos. By the way guys, I want to announce that I just launched a new channel about RC cars, so stop screwing around and check it out. But yeah, only if you like RC cars and drones and stuff like that. 3 to 4 videos are already live for you to binge and stuff, but yeah, if you like it, subscribe. And I hope they're worth your time. Okay, overall, the turning force on this tool is just enough. Now, obviously, this thing isn't super powerful, but for most of the stuff that you need it to do, it gets the job done. I really don't regret getting this instead of the cheaper ones on Taobao. You could really see the attention to detail and just the difference in quality in general. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a screwdriver, so. Remember to like and subscribe if you like tech that's relevant to your life, and check out the other RC channel if you're interested in that. I also have a newsletter if you're interested in reading about whatever I'm interested in, I guess. Alrighty, whatever. God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.